Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you can hear me. Over there in the last class. Please correct me if I'm wrong that we have completed amino proteins. Last class, I think have like I have told you about the three types of lipids, compound lipids and derived lipids. In that, हमने simple lipid fat किया था, where we have done monoglyceride, diglyceride, triglyceride. Okay. Am I right? If anybody of you in last class add fats and lipids, बताओ वो भी add fats and lipids. कोई तो होगा ना last class में. Nobody was there in last class. Not visible. What is not visible? Please let me know. Can you not see the board? Is it not visible what I'm writing here? Is it not visible? Yes or no? Can you see it? Is it visible? Boss or anybody, if you can confirm visible. All right, ठीक है. So we were doing biomolecules. There we have done the analysis, chemical analysis देख लिया था हमने, and we have also seen like amino acids. हम लोग amino acid कर चुके हैं, proteins कर चुके हैं. We have done your carbohydrates. ठीक है, हो गया. Last class we were doing fats and lipids. In that I told you that there are three types of your lipids. One is simple lipids, then you have compound lipids, and then you have derived lipids. सिंपल लिपिड्स के अंदर द एग्जांपल दैट यू हैव इज फैट्स एंड वेक्स. ठीक है, तो उसके अंदर लाइक फैट कैसे बनेगा? यू हैव क्या कहते हैं, फैटी एसिड्स प्लस ग्लिसरॉल, राइट? फैटी एसिड्स व्हेन दे रिएक्ट विद ग्लिसरॉल फॉर्मिंग एन एस्टर बॉन्ड दैट मेक्स द फैट्स. इट कुड बी मोनोग्लिसराइड, दैट मींस one glycerol and you have one fatty acids. One glycerol, two fatty acids, diglyceride. one glycerol, 3 fatty acid, that will be triglyceride, which is the like classic type of lipid, right? तो अगर मैं आपको ट्राइग्लिसराइड बना के दिखाऊं, these are the units that makes your fats and lipids. ठीक है, monoglyceride, diglyceride, triglycerides, these are the units that make the fats and lipids. ठीक है, अभी बनते कैसे हैं? They are made from fatty acids plus glycerol. ठीक है, for this you require fatty acids and glycerol. So two things are required, fatty acids or glycerol. ठीक है, so for triglyceride you require 3 fatty acid. Triglyceride के लिए you require 3 fatty acid and 1 glycerol. Glycerol is what? Your trihydroxypropane. ठीक है, glycerol क्या है? Trihydroxypropane. So it is like O, and then you have the what? This is for alcohol, and then you have the fatty acid group joined here, right? It could be anything. R1 could be any number of carbon. ठीक है, again R2, and finally the third fatty acid. ठीक है, so you have glycerol here. This part is glycerol, है ना? And these are your fatty acids. ठीक है, this part is glycerol and these are your fatty acids. Together it makes the triglyceride. ठीक है, so 3 units of fatty acid glycerol that makes your triglyceride. These are the units that make your fats. ठीक है, इन्हीं से fats बनता है. Now what these are the simple lipids. ये आपके क्या है? Simple lipids. Now if you remember, हमने compound lipids में एक example लिखा था. We have written an example in compound lipids. Very important example. So compound lipids में the structure that you need to see is phospholipid. Its structure is also given in your NCERT if you see. ठीक है? So these are the simple lipids. Monoglyceride, diglyceride, triglycerides are the simple lipids, right? These are compound lipids. For example, phospholipid. आपने lipid में, if in lipid you add a phospho group, ठीक है? If in lipid, suppose this is one lipid molecule, ठीक है? ये क्या है? This is one lipid molecule. In one lipid molecule, if you add any phospho group, then it becomes phospholipid. So how do you make it a phospholipid? Okay, see, this is a lipid. I want to make it a phospholipid. What you will do? You will remove this part. Okay, you will remove this part and you add a phospho group. Okay, how does it look like? OH. Double bond O. This structure is given in your NCERT also. C attached with N, CH3, CH3, CH3. This makes your phospholipid. ठीक है? So what have happened? The third fatty acid group. ठीक है? 1, 2, 3rd. The third fatty acid group is replaced by this phosphor molecule. Okay, is replaced by this phosphor molecule. So now this is known as phospholipid. Okay, this is phospholipid. One example of phospholipid, very important, is lecithin. One important example of phospholipid is lecithin. Okay, where do we find lecithin? Lecithin कहाँ मिलता है? You people have studied about lecithin. What is lecithin? Anybody? Where do you find lecithin? What is it? If anybody's known, what is its function or where do you find it? Anybody? What is the function or where do you find lecithin? कहीं पे सुना है lecithin? Have you heard of lecithin? Anywhere? बताओ, what is its function or where do you find lecithin? जल्दी बताओ, where have you seen lecithin? कहाँ पढ़ा है lecithin में? I am giving you a hint. You must have studied it in respiratory system. Human respiration वाले chapter में you must have studied it. What is lecithin? What is its function? I think you cannot see the video. Am I right? Yeah, now it is possible. Okay, what is the function of lecithin? You must have studied about it in human respiratory system. क्या है लेसिथिन? बेसिकली लेसिथिन इज अ टाइप ऑफ सर्फेक्टेंट, surfactant found in alveoli of lungs. ठीक है, your lungs is comprises of many alveoli, correct? आपके lungs में multiple alveoli होती है, that balloon like structure. So your lungs contain multiple alveoli. The wall of alveoli has a coating of lecithin. ठीक है, the wall of alveoli has a coat of lecithin which act as a surfactant. Why do we need lecithin? So that it prevents the collapsing of wall, ताकि वो alveoli का wall collapse ना करे. ठीक है, so that it won't collapse, you have a layer of surfactant, that is your lecithin. ठीक है, inside the alveoli of lungs. And lecithin is a type of phospholipid. ठीक है, lecithin is a type of phospholipid. This structure is also given in your NCERT, that is why it is important. ठीक है, nobody will ask you to draw the structure, right? Nobody will ask you to draw the structure. ठीक है, it is rare chances that somebody asks you to draw the structure in your exam, but you could get the structure. वो आपको structure दे सकते हैं and they could ask you like identify the structure or what is its use. So you should know its structure. ठीक है, so that is how phospholipids looks like. समझ में आया? यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आया? किसी को डाउट है यहाँ तक? बोलो, यहाँ तक समझ में आया कुछ? यहाँ तक कोई डाउट है? जल्दी बोलो, यहाँ तक क्लियर है? इफ यू वांट टू आस्क समथिंग, कोई डाउट है, कुछ नहीं समझ में आया, लेट मी नो. If you have understood, write in the chat box that you have understood. If not, let me know what is there that you have not understood, or do you have any confusion in any of this? Bolo, please write in the chat box. I hope you people can type in the chat box. Let me know whether it is clear or not, or you want me to explain it again. Good afternoon. Whether it is clear or not, or you want me to explain this again. And if it is clear, please mention in the chat box. I am waiting for your replies. What is it? Is it clear or it is not? Jaldi likho chat box mein whether it is clear or not. बोलो clear है कि नहीं? In the chat box please, is it clear or not? और आपको कोई doubts है तो बताओ. कुछ doubts हैं तो बताओ. Is it clear? Shall I move forward? Is it clear? Shall I move forward? Yes, chalo. If you have any doubts, please write in the chat box. All right. I request you people to please let me know in the chat box. आप लोग chat box में लिखोगे. If you'll write in the chat box, I'll get to know whether you are able to understand this or not. ठीक है? Please let me know. चलो. So this is your compound lipid. After compound lipid, there is one more type, which is your derived lipid. Oh. We need to open a new file. I hope you people have written what is there in page number 1. I hope you people have written that, because I'll be moving towards different file. Have people noted it down, whatever was written in the board? Have you people noted it down? Yes or no? Have you people noted it down? आप लोगों ने note down कर लिया था? Shall I remove that? All right. Now the next that we have is, देखो जिसमें आपको बताया lipids में you had simple lipids, you have compound lipids. Then one thing that you have is derived lipid. ठीक है, derived lipid में the thing which is very important is cholesterol. ठीक है, one example is cholesterol, and the diagram of cholesterol or the of cholesterol is also given in your NCERT. ठीक है, cholesterol का structure भी आपके NCERT में दिया है. Basically, cholesterol contain your 3 6-membered ring. It contain 3 6-membered ring and 1 5-membered ring. If you have your NCERT, you can look over there. You can look in your NCERT the structure of cholesterol. So you have 3 6-membered rings like this. Here you have one OH group. ठीक है, 1 2 3 4. ठीक है, 1 6-membered, 2 6-membered. You have a double bond here, and then another 6-membered ring. One, two, three, four, five, six, right? And I need to erase this. Then you have a 5-membered ring. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. And on this 5-membered ring, you have some branches. I'm erasing this. 3 6-membered ring. And 1 5-membered ring. You can see in the diagram. And there are some branches. Okay. So this is how your cholesterol looks like. Okay. This is the structural formula of cholesterol. Okay. So cholesterol is also a type of lipid, but it is a derived lipid. Okay. Cholesterol is also a type of lipid, but it is a derived lipid. I hope this is clear. ठीक है, तो ये कोलेस्ट्रॉल हो गया which is a type of derived lipid. और इसी से ही आपका क्या बनता है, स्टेरॉइड हार्मोन. ठीक है, from this only you have steroid hormones. ठीक है, इसी से आपका क्या बनता है, steroid hormone. If you remember that flow chart, ठीक है, where I have explained you simple lipids, compound lipids, derived lipids. In derived lipids we have written cholesterol, steroid hormones. ठीक है, so all the steroid molecules, they are also made from cholesterol. ठीक है, so I am writing here steroid is a derivative cholesterol. Okay? It is a derivative of cholesterol. So this is how your cholesterol looks like. In this chapter, you have multiple structures that you need to see. Okay? You have amino acids, you have proteins, then you have carbohydrates. Okay? All the structures are given. Then you have fats and lipids. Their structures are also given. Then you have your nucleosides and nucleotides. Okay? Their structure are also given in NCERT. तो यहाँ पे हमारा derived lipid होता है. ठीक है? So that is your derived lipid. So we have done simple lipids. Then you have done compound lipids, and then this is the derived lipids. I hope this is clear. देखो इसको, कुछ doubt है तो बोलो. Is it clear, or if you have any doubts? Is it clear, or you have any doubts? बोलो. इज इट क्लियर और इसमें कुछ डाउट्स है? इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीबडी? यस और नो? आर वी क्लियर टिल हियर? यहाँ तक हम क्लियर हैं? शैल आई मूव फॉरवर्ड? प्लीज राइट यस और नो. क्लियर हुआ? शैल आई मूव फॉरवर्ड? बोलो क्लियर हुआ? शैल आई मूव फॉरवर्ड? राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स प्लीज. आर वी क्लियर टिल हियर? यहाँ तक कोई डाउट है? इफ यू वांट टू आस्क मी एनीथिंग, डू यू वांट टू आस्क समथिंग? If it is not clear, do you want to ask something or shall I move forward? Bolo. Shall I move forward or you want to ask something? Yes? All right. Clear yes or you want to ask something? What is this yes for? Do you want to ask something or it is clear to you? Batao. I hope this is clear. Kuch doubt hai? Write in the chat box. Moving forward. Now we need to see two types of fatty acids. Okay? You have two type of fatty acids. Okay? You have seen fatty acids like steric fatty acid, palmitic fatty acid, 16 carbons, 18 carbons, 20 carbons, arachidonic acetic fatty acid. So fatty acid could be of two types. Okay, fatty acids could be of two types. You can have saturated fatty acid. Okay, saturated fatty acid, or you can have unsaturated fatty acid. Saturated fatty acids and unsaturated fatty acids. So you people must have heard of these two terms, saturated, unsaturated. Could anybody tell me what is the difference between saturated and unsaturated? You must have seen this in chemistry, है ना? In carbon compounds chapter, saturated and unsaturated compounds. What is the difference between saturated and unsaturated? Anybody? I want answer from you. What is the difference between saturated compounds and unsaturated compounds? You have done this, I guess, in class 10th also. You must have done in your chemistry. What is the difference between saturated compounds and unsaturated compounds? Batao, what is the difference? Anybody? क्या difference होता है saturated compounds में और unsaturated compounds में? जल्दी बोलो, write in the chat box. Waiting for your replies, write in the chat box. Sorry. Difference between saturated and unsaturated compounds. Nobody? Anybody wants to answer? See, in saturated fatty acids, what happen? See, fatty acids में आपने देखा there is a long carbon chain, है ना? In fatty acids, there is a long carbon chain. So, if that carbon chain of that carbon skeleton does not contain any double bond, okay? If there is no double bond, only single bonds are there. That is a saturated fatty acid, okay? No double or triple bond, okay? No double or triple bond. कंप्लीट कार्बन स्केलेटन, पूरे कंप्लीट कार्बन स्केलेटन में अगर कोई भी डबल या ट्रिपल बॉन्ड नहीं है, then that type of fatty acid is saturated fatty acid. For example, the palmitic fatty acid, it is saturated, there is no double bond in the skeleton, carbon skeleton. Palmitic acid, you have stearic acid. This is a saturated fatty acid. What then? What about unsaturated fatty acid? Anybody wants to answer? What about unsaturated fatty acids? क्या होते हैं unsaturated fatty acids? Anybody? What are unsaturated fatty acids? अभी saturated I have told you, ठीक है? Saturated I have explained. You people can tell about unsaturated. What are unsaturated fatty acids? What does they contain? What does unsaturated fatty acids contain? Here you can have one or more double triple bonds, ठीक है? Here you can have one or more double triple bonds. तो unsaturated हम क्यों बोल रहे हैं fatty acids को? ठीक है? Unsaturated why? Because here you can have multiple double bonds, ठीक है? Here you can have multiple double bonds. ये समझ में आया कि नहीं बताओ? ये समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? Yes or no? Anybody? क्लियर हुआ? ठीक है? हियर योर कार्बन स्केलेटन कैन हैव वन और मोर डबल बॉन्ड्स, ठीक है? डिपेंडिंग अपॉन हाउ मेनी डबल बॉन्ड्स आर देयर, इट इज अगेन ऑफ टू टाइप. वन इज mufa and the other one is pufa. ठीक है? What is pufa and mufa? Mufa is mono unsaturated fatty acid. This is poly unsaturated fatty acid because here there will be only one double bond. ठीक है? In this you will have only one double bond, but in PUFA you have multiple double bonds. In PUFA you will have multiple double bonds. That is why it is polyunsaturated. It is monounsaturated double bond. ठीक है? That is PUFA. ठीक है? As see, we have done palmitic, we have done steric. One more was there, arachidonic, right? Arachidonic is a type of PUFA. ठीक है? Arachidonic is a type of PUFA. Why? Because it contain around 4 double bonds. ठीक है? Arachidonic is PUFA because it contain 4 double bonds. Now, which is here for you? This is unhealthy, not easily digested in body. And they produce producing cholesterol in your body. Saturated fatty acids, but जो unsaturated fatty acids होते हैं, they are comparatively healthy for the body. ठीक है? The unsaturated fatty acids, they are comparatively healthy for the body, but your saturated fatty acids, they are not easily digested in your body and also they produce cholesterol. ठीक है? Cholesterol वहाँ पे था with unsaturated I have been healthy, but वो भी remove हो गया because it is hanging a lot. Right, so that is healthy because unsaturated fatty acids are comparatively healthier option if you compare it to saturated fatty acids. So this is all about your lipids and fats. ठीक है? This is all about your lipids and fats. इसको देखो, यहाँ पे कोई भी डाउट है तो बताओ, then move to the next molecule. ठीक है? This is all about your lipids and fats. Otherwise we'll move to the next molecule. यहाँ पे कोई डाउट है? Please let me know. इसमें कोई डाउट है तो बताओ, प्लीज नोट इट डाउन, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स प्लीज राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स. और इट इज क्लियर टू एवरीबॉडी? फैट फैट्स और लिपिड्स, बताओ, डू यू हैव एनी डाउट्स इन दिस? Yes or no? Do you have any doubts in this? So you have done simple lipids, derived lipids, and the compound lipids. Okay, and we know for the lipids you require two units that join together. Okay, to make your lipids, there are two units that join together. One is a fatty acid, another is glycerol. Okay, to make your fats, you have fatty acids and glycerol. So that is why whenever fats are digested in our body, ठीक है, हमारी body में जब भी fats digest होते हैं, whenever there is a digestion of fats, two things are produced. One is your fatty acid, another is your glycerol. Why? Because the fats are made up of fatty acids and glycerol. ठीक है, fatty acids are joined with the glycerols or glycerol joined with the fatty acid with a bond which is called ester bond. सब में क्या क्या bond है ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. ठीक है, because we have seen bonds in amino acids also, we have seen bonds in carbohydrates also, and now we have seen bonds in your lipids and fat also. Clear है? That which bond is formed when two molecules join together, है ना? कौन सा bond बनता है when two molecules are joined together? We have seen all of the three molecules. Clear है? यहाँ तक सबको clear है? यहाँ तक किसी को doubt है तो बताओ. Clear है? आगे बढ़ूं? Yes or no? Let me know in the chat box. Yes or no? Shall I move forward? बढ़े आगे. Shall we start nucleic acids? ये सबको clear है? ठीक है, fats and lipids are over. Now we will move towards nucleic acid. Am I audible to you people? Am I being audible to you people? Yes or no? Can you people hear me? Can you people hear me? Am I audible? Bolo, am I audible to you? Can you people hear me? Am I audible? Yes or no? Am I audible to you? Class, am I audible to you? Can you people hear me? Bolo, please write in the chat box. Am I audible to you or not? Am I audible? Can you hear me? Am I audible? Yes or no? कुछ तो बताओ. Hello, can you hear me? Am I audible? Boss, Vishnu, AMRS GL AMRS Kaldara, Bikrampur. Sorry, can you hear me? Am I audible? Yes or no? Am I audible? मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या? AMRS CLR ready. Sai, AMRS Shelty, Mr. Dinesh. Can you people hear me? Yes, you are audible. So why you are people not replying? I'm asking questions. Why you people are not replying? I thought I'm not audible to you. Okay, so now we will do the another your another your macromolecule, ठीक है, another macromolecule which is nucleic acid. It is also a polymer, ठीक है, ये भी एक polymer है because it is joined by some repeating unit or it is made by some repeating units, ठीक है, from monomers. So it is also it is also a polymer. Now nucleic acid requires three things, ठीक है. For the formation of nucleic acid, you require three things. That is, one is nitrogenous base. ठीक है, one is nitrogenous base. And then you required sugar. ठीक है, you require sugar which will be your monosaccharide. Monosaccharide sugar, ठीक है, nitrogenous base, sugars, and then you require a phosphate group. All of this together will make your nucleo. All of this together will make a unit which is called all of this together, ठीक है, three of them together will make a unit. When you join this three together, this will give you nucleotide. ठीक है, this will give you nucleotide. And when many nucleotides they are repeated in ठीक है, they are repeated and the bonds are formed between them. ठीक है, when multiple nucleotides are repeated, this makes the nucleic acid. ठीक है, so if nucleic acid is a polymer, if nucleic acid is acting as a polymer, then they are your monomer. So multiple nucleotides they are joined together. Okay, multiple nucleotides are joined together to form nucleic acid. And how nucleotide is formed? How one nucleotide is formed? For nucleotide you require nitrogenous base, sugar, and phosphate group. Okay? Nitrogenous base, sugar, or phosphate group. Let us see one more thing. As you know, nucleotide, which is a unit of nucleic acid. Okay, nucleotide is made up of nitrogenous base, sugar, phosphate group. But you see, nitrogenous base and sugar, if you have only nitrogenous base and sugar, then it is called nucleoside. Then it is called nucleoside. ठीक है, if only nitrogenous base and sugar are present, ठीक है, अगर सिर्फ nitrogenous base और sugar है, it will make nucleoside. And if in nucleoside you add phosphate group, ठीक है, in nucleoside if you add phosphate group, then it makes the nucleotide. ठीक है, in nucleoside if you add the phosphate group, it make the nucleotide. ठीक है, so nucleotide कैसे बनेगा? For nucleotide you require all the three things. ठीक है, but if you only have nitrogenous base and sugar, ठीक है, nitrogenous base and sugar, it together make the nucleoside. With nucleoside you add phosphate group and you will get nucleotide. ठीक है, you will get nucleotide. I have a question for you here. Let us see a question. Which statement is incorrect? ठीक है, so you have 4 options, you need to tell which one is incorrect, but before that you must note it down. ठीक है, पहले इसे नोट डाउन कर लो, एक बार इसे देखो, इसमें कुछ डाउट है तो बताओ, देन यू कैन गिव आंसर टू दैट क्वेश्चन व्हिच आई हैव आस्क्ड टू यू. पहले इसको एक बार देख लो, नोट इट डाउन. आई हैव रिटन इट डाउन. एक बार ये भी देख लो, नेक्स्ट वाला. दिस वन. आई होप इसमें भी कोई डाउट नहीं होगा. All right, and then you have this question. I want answers from everybody. I want answers from everybody. Which statement is incorrect? First, many nucleotide units are joined together to make nucleic acid. Second, nitrogenous base with sugar is nucleoside. Nitrogenous base with phosphate group is nucleoside. Nucleoside with phosphate makes a nucleotide. Which one is incorrect? Everybody. I want answers from everybody. Which one is incorrect? Answers in the chat box. Everybody answer the question. I have explained whatever is the answer in last 2 slides. Okay? I have explained its answer in last 2 slides. So I want all of you to give the answer to me. Which of the following statement is incorrect? I have got only one answer. I want answer from everybody. Then we will discuss it. Whatever you think is the correct option, please write in the chat box. No matter whether it is right or wrong. Whatever you think is the correct answer, please write in the chat box. Everybody. Waiting for your answers. Everybody write in the chat box. Okay, I got answer from EMRS, GL Puram. Then EMRS Chikaldara. Others, what about others? कौन है और इधर? We have 10 participants. Pause. EMRS Bikrampur. Chikaldara is done. GL Puram भी हो गया. EMRS Shelty. आपने भी दिया. EMRS CLR Reddy. MR Dinesh. Sai Vishnu. NS. Answers from everybody, please, in the chat box. What do you think is the incorrect option? इनमें से कौन सा incorrect है? What do you think is the incorrect answer? Okay, so 2 of you have given the answer, which is the correct answer. The third one is the incorrect statement. Now let us see how it is incorrect. Okay? Let us see how it is incorrect. Let us see how it is incorrect. First, let us have a look in the first statement. Many nucleotides, they join together to make nucleic acid. Correct. Because nucleotide are the monomers. When they are joined together, make a long chain, that become the nucleic acid. Nucleic acid is your DNA, RNA. Okay? All of these are nucleic acid. So they are made up of nucleotides. Okay? Nitrogenous base with sugar. Correct. Base plus sugar is nucleoside. Okay? Base with sugar is called nucleoside. Base with phosphate group is nucleoside. No. Why? Because base with sugar is called nucleoside. not base with phosphate group, ठीक है. And when your nucleoside, which is base and sugar, ठीक है, nucleoside joins with the phosphate, the third molecule, it makes a nucleotide, ठीक है, it makes a nucleotide. That is why the option C is incorrect. Very good, ठीक है. Now let us see their structure and whatever is there, ठीक है. We will start from the nitrogenous base. हमें इन तीनों के structures देखने हैं. We need to see the structures of all these three: nitrogenous base, sugar and phosphate. First we will start from nitrogenous base. Their structure is also given to you people. Okay, their structure is also given to you people. If you see in your NCERT, I think you have two structures of nitrogenous base. आपको basically nucleotide का या nucleoside का structure दे रखा है. You can see in your NCERT, ठीक है. So I think दो nitrogenous base दे रखे हैं. You have given two nitrogenous base in your NCERT, right? है ना, दो nitrogenous base होंगे. Now you have two type of nitrogenous bases. ठीक है, you have two types of nitrogenous bases. One is purine, ठीक है, and one is pyrimidine. Now how do you identify which is purine, which is pyrimidine? Purine contains two rings. The structure of purine, it contains two rings. Pyrimidine, it contains only one ring. The examples of purine, you can have any of the nitrogenous base, ठीक है. The example, okay. Before explaining this, you must have seen the structure of DNA, ठीक है. Suppose ऐसे आपका DNA होता है ना, double hand से आपका ऐसे double stranded structure होता है, ठीक है. So if you detangle it, it will be something like this, ठीक है. So you have a double stranded structure. Now in both the strands, you have some nitrogenous bases, ठीक है. This is your DNA, and I told you DNA is a nucleic acid that is made up of nucleotide unit, है ना. It is a nucleic acid which is made up of a nucleotides unit. In nucleotide, you also have nitrogenous bases, ठीक है. So what happens in DNA? Nitrogenous bases are present. So it could be A, it could be T, again T, G, C, ठीक है. Whatever could be there. All of these are nitrogenous bases. A, T, G, G, C, ठीक है. And what happened in the other strand? ठीक है. In the complementary strand, they have nitrogenous bases which are complementary to the first strand, ठीक है. In the other strand, the nitrogenous bases are placed like they are complementary to the first strand. For A, the complementary is T. For T, there will be A. For T, there will be A. For G, there will be C. For C, there will be G. Like this, okay? So these are the nitrogenous bases which are required in making your nucleotides, okay? So purine are of two types. Purine are of two types. Adenine, which is represented by A there. Adenine and guanine. Guanine represented by G, adenine represented by A. Okay? So adenine, guanine. Pyrimidine basically are of three types. Cytosine represented by C, thymine, T, and there is one more which is uracil. You cannot see uracil here, okay? This is U. Why? Because this is DNA. In DNA, see, these purines are present in both. In DNA also, in RNA also. ठीक है, ये आपका DNA में भी होता है, RNA में भी. But in pyrimidine, ठीक है, in pyrimidine what happened? Your कहते हैं thymine is only present in DNA, but uracil is present in RNA. ठीक है. So in place of thymine, ठीक है, in place of thymine you have uracil when you talk about RNA. ठीक है. When you are doing DNA, these two and these two are present. When you are seeing RNA, these two and cytosine and uracil will be present. So wherever you will see uracil, that means it is the RNA, and wherever you see thymine, that means it is a DNA. ठीक है. So these are some nitrogenous bases that will be joined together with your क्या कहते हैं sugar and phosphate and make the nucleotides molecule. ठीक है. और ये क्या बनाएंगे फिर? न्यूक्लियोटाइड बनाएंगे. बताओ, इतना क्लियर है सबको? यहाँ तक क्लियर है? यहाँ तक कोई डाउट समझ में आया? यहाँ तक समझ में आया? यस और नो? यस और नो? अब हम इसके स्ट्रक्चर देखेंगे. वी विल सी द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एडेनिन, गुआनिन, साइटोसिन, थाइमिन, यूरैसिल. ठीक है, ऑल द स्ट्रक्चर्स आर नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. You can also see the structures which is given in your NCERT, but you should know all the structure. Why? Because you will be studying this in 12th also. So अभी कर लोगे, that will be easier for you. ठीक है, we will be studying these structures in class 12th also. So am I audible? Am I audible? बताओ एक बारी, am I audible? Am I audible? Anybody? आवाज आ रही है मेरी? Am I audible? Can you people hear me? Yes or no? Am I audible? Can you hear me? Am I audible, guys? Can you hear me? Am I audible? Hello, can you hear me? Am I audible? Can you hear me? Am I audible? See the structure of adenine, how does it goes? You know there are two rings because these are purines, so there will be two rings. It's like carbon, nitrogen, carbon, nitrogen, carbon, carbon. There will be one NH2 group. This is adenine and this structure is also given in your NCERT. Okay? This is adenine and this structure is also given in your NCERT. What happens with guanine? What changes are there in guanine? See, guanine में क्या changes होंगे आपके? You have C, N, C, N, C, C, again N, C. Here you have double bond O, and here you will have one NH2, one double bond. Right, that's it. Take it. This is a guanine. So this is the structure of adenine guanine. Here also they could give you the structure and ask you to define that whatever it is. ठीक है? तो एक आपका adenine है, दूसरा आपका क्या है? Guanine है. Please draw the structures. If you have any doubts, please ask me. बताओ इसमें कोई डाउट है किसी को? आगे उसके भी देख लो। दिस इज योर प्यूरिन। पायरिमिडीन में वी हैव सिंगल रिंग, ठीक है। सबसे पहले लेट अस सी थायमिन। ठीक है, दिस इज थायमिन। इज इट विजिबल? आप लोग को मेरी आवाज आ रही है? एम आई ऑडिबल टू यू पीपल? क्या आप लोगों को मेरी आवाज आ रही है? आवाज आ रही है मेरी? दिस इज यूरासिल। ठीक है, so here you have adenine, guanine, thymine, uracil, and this is cytosine. ठीक है, this is your cytosine. If you see an NCERT here, I think एक adenine होगा और दूसरा either it will be uracil or cytosine. ठीक है, एक adenine है, दूसरा whether it is uracil or cytosine. ठीक है, so these are your structures of the purines and pyrimidines. ठीक है, ये आपके क्या है? प्यूरिन एंड पायरिमिडीन है। एक बार ड्रॉ कर लो। इसमें कोई भी डाउट है प्लीज लेट मी नो। अगर इसमें कोई भी डाउट है प्लीज लेट मी नो। इसके बाद वी विल सी योर शुगर। ठीक है, इसके बाद वी विल सी द शुगर। आई होप आई एम ऑडिबल टू यू। आप लोगों को मेरी आवाज आ रही है? एम आई ऑडिबल? आवाज आ रही है मेरी? हैव यू ड्रॉन इट? एम आई ऑडिबल टू यू पीपल? एम आई ऑडिबल? एम आई ऑडिबल टू यू? कैन यू पीपल हियर मी? एम आई ऑडिबल? So ये आपके क्या हो गए? These are all the nitrogenous bases. ठीक है, so we have seen nitrogenous bases. Nitrogenous bases are done. Now we will see the sugar molecule. ठीक है, nitrogenous bases, see what happens. All of these three are joined together. ठीक है, all of these three are joined together. Nitrogenous base will be attached to sugar and sugar will be attached to phosphate. ठीक है, all of this together will make one nucleotide. ठीक है, all of these three things together will make one nucleotide and multiple nucleotides will join together. ठीक है, multiple nucleotides join together, this make your nucleic acid. ठीक है, this makes your nucleic acid. So that is how nucleic acid is formed. तो अभी हमने nitrogenous base देख लिया है. We have seen nitrogenous base. Let us see the sugar molecules. ठीक है, let us see the sugar molecule, structure of sugar molecule. So you have a pentose sugar. Pentose means it's a 5-carbon ring. Okay, you will have a pentose sugar, that is a 5-carbon ring. Pentose sugar, it is also of 2 types. Okay, see, you have one DNA and one is RNA. है ना? You have 2 molecules, DNA and RNA. What is the full form? Anybody? What is the full form of DNA and RNA? क्या full form है DNA का और RNA का? जल्दी बताओ. What is the full form of DNA and RNA? What is the full form for DNA and RNA? It is ribonucleic acid, but it is deoxyribonucleic acid. What is the difference? RNA is ribonucleic acid, DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid, means there is a removal of oxygen group. Deoxy means removal of oxygen group. Okay? So for RNA, you have a different sugar. RNA के लिए you have a different sugar, and for DNA you have a different sugar. For RNA, you have a different sugar. For DNA, you have a different sugar. So one is your ribose sugar. One is your ribose sugar. Other one is your deoxyribose sugar. I think we have drawn its structure in carbohydrates also. One is ribose sugar, one is deoxyribose sugar. It is a pentose sugar. Yes, ribonucleic acid, correct. ये हमारे शिकालदरा, correct, very good. ठीक है. So one is your ribose sugar, other is your deoxyribose sugar. How do you draw a ribose sugar? You have O like this. This is the structure of 5-carbon sugar. Here on first carbon you have OH, H, OH, H, OH, H. Then here you have CH2OH, NH, like this. This is your ribose sugar. Then deoxyribose sugar will be, here you have OH and H. See what happened at second carbon, ठीक है? Will be removed. Okay, at second carbon, you can see this is the second carbon. At second carbon, this oxygen will be removed and it becomes deoxyribose. Okay, this oxygen is removed, otherwise everything is same. This oxygen is removed, so it becomes deoxyribose sugar. Deoxy means removal of oxygen. So this is your deoxyribose sugar. So if you see a RNA chain, you have same nitrogenous base, you have same pentose group, phosphate group, but the sugar is different. For RNA, you have this sugar, ribose sugar. For DNA, you have a deoxyribose sugar. क्या ये समझ में आया? Is sugar clear to everybody? बताओ, sugar clear हुआ? This is clear, Shikal Dara or Bikrampur and Shelty. This is clear? Okay, so this is your ribose sugar, and then the last is your phosphate group. This is your phosphate group. It will be like this only. Okay. Now what happens? देखो. So you have the sugar, nitrogenous base and phosphate. So what happened? Let's take a sugar. हमने यहाँ पे एक sugar लिया. ठीक है? OH, H, OH, H, OH, H, and here you have CH2OH and H. This is your sugar. Which sugar? This is the ribose sugar. ठीक है? This is your ribose sugar. What happened? Now this need to join with nitrogenous base and phosphate group. Okay, this will be joined with nitrogenous base and phosphate group. So at this carbon, this H is removed and nitrogenous base is joined. Okay, so nitrogenous base is joined at first carbon. Okay, nitrogenous base will be joined at first carbon. Nitrogenous base आएगा, and this phosphate group is joined with this fifth carbon. This H is also removed from here and here you have phosphate group. Okay, here you have phosphate group. So phosphate group is joined at fifth carbon of sugar and nitrogenous base is joined at the first carbon of sugar. So now you have sugar, nitrogenous base, phosphate group. This is one nucleotide molecule. This is one nucleotide molecule. Okay, this complete is your one nucleotide molecule. Okay, so multiple nucleotides will join together and you will get one nucleic acid. Okay, multiple nucleotides will join together and you will get one nucleic acid. Now I am drawing something for you. Just give me the answer. What is it? Okay. Okay. So we have three diagrams here. This is A, this is B, and this is C. So you have three things. You have ribose sugar, the sugar, then you have one nucleoside, then you have one nucleotide. Tell me which one is what? Which one is A, which one is B, and which one is C? Which one is A, which one is B, and which one is C? Which one is ribose sugar, which one is nucleoside, and which one is nucleotide? Anybody? Which is A, which is B, which is C? I hope now you have understood what is sugar, how is nucleoside formed, and how is nucleotide formed. बताओ which one is A, which one is B, and which one is C? राइबोस शुगर कौन सा है, न्यूक्लियोसाइड कौन सा है, एंड न्यूक्लियोटाइड कौन सा है? एनीबॉडी? फ्रॉम द अबव व्हिच वन इज अ न्यूक्लियोटाइड? चलो ये बताओ, व्हिच वन इज द न्यूक्लियोटाइड? अमंग दीज थ्री व्हिच वन इज अ न्यूक्लियोटाइड? इन तीनों में से न्यूक्लियोटाइड कौन सा है? व्हिच वन इज न्यूक्लियोटाइड? एनीबॉडी? न्यूक्लियोटाइड कौन सा है? दिस इज वेरी इजी. Which one is nucleotide? A, B or C? जल्दी बताओ. Which one is nucleotide? Whether it is A, B or C? Anybody? Nucleotide क्या है इसमें? बोलो whether it is A, B or C? What is there in nucleotide? Nucleotide में क्या होता है? Nucleotide has sugar, it has nitrogenous base and it has phosphate. ठीक है? Nucleotide will have all the three molecules. It will have sugar, it will have phosphate group, it will have nitrogenous base. So what do you think? Which one is nucleotide? Nucleotide कौन सा है? This is nucleotide. Why nucleotide? Because it has sugar. है ना? This is sugar. It has nitrogenous base at the first carbon. It has phosphate group at the fifth carbon. So this is your nucleotide. Now this is only sugar. This is only ribose sugar. There is no nitrogenous base. There is no phosphate group. This is sugar. This one is nucleoside. This one is nucleoside. Why? Because it has sugar plus nitrogenous base. If only sugar and nitrogenous base is present, then it will be nucleoside. I hope this is clear to everybody. One is sugar, other is nucleoside, and then you have the nucleotide. Okay. Now there is a difference in their name also. Okay. There is a difference in their name also. How? See, if you have nitrogenous base adenine, okay, you have nitrogenous base adenine, okay, only adenine, and it is joined to, okay, adenine is joined to a nitrogenous, sorry, adenine is joined to a sugar molecule. You have adenine which is joined to a sugar molecule, so it will be what? It will be nucleoside. है ना? अब क्या बन गया? न्यूक्लियोसाइड बन गया. Why nucleoside? Because nitrogenous base joined with sugar makes the nucleoside. So adenine, when it becomes nucleoside, it is called adenosine. Adenosine. ठीक है? So when adenine is joined with your sugar, ठीक है? When adenine is joined with the sugar, it is called adenosine. And when phosphate group is also joined, it becomes nucleotide. ठीक है? Phosphate group is also joined, it becomes nucleotide. Now it is called adenylic acid. Now it is called adenylic acid. Now this happens with all the nitrogenous bases. ठीक है? This happens with all the nitrogenous bases. If only nitrogenous base adenine is there, it is called adenine. If it becomes nucleoside, it is called adenosine. If it becomes nucleotide, then it will be known as your adenylic acid. तो जैसा आपने क्या कहते हैं, जैसा आपने इसके लिखा है एडेनिन के लिए, ये सबके लिए होगा. ठीक है? ये आपका सबके लिए होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप यूरासिल के लिए देखो, ठीक है, इफ यू सी फॉर यूरासिल, so if nitrogenous base is there, it will be uracil. It becomes uridine and then uridynylic acid. ठीक है? So depending upon whether it is nucleoside, whether it is nucleotide, or it is just nitrogenous base, it has different names. ठीक है? It has different names. Now here we are also done with nucleic acid. यहाँ तक कुछ डाउट है तो बताओ. ठीक है? यहाँ पे हमारा न्यूक्लिक एसिड भी हो गया. कैसे आपका पूरा न्यूक्लिक एसिड चेन बनेगा? यहाँ पे कोई डाउट है तो बताओ. उसके बाद एक बार मैं बॉन्ड्स बताती हूँ आपको. अगर यहाँ तक कुछ डाउट है तो बताओ. Otherwise, I will tell you about the bonds. यहाँ पे कोई डाउट है तो बताओ. अदरवाइज विल डू द बॉन्ड्स. बॉन्ड्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इज इट क्लियर? यहाँ तक सबको क्लियर है? आगे बढ़े. लेट अस सी द बॉन्ड्स. लेट अस सी द बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन. ओके, सी हियर द बॉन्ड बिटवीन नाइट्रोजन एंड शुगर. ठीक है? द बॉन्ड बिटवीन नाइट्रोजनस बेस एंड शुगर, दिस बॉन्ड इज कॉल्ड ग्लाइकोसिडिक बॉन्ड. ठीक है? दिस बॉन्ड इज कॉल्ड ग्लाइकोसिडिक बॉन्ड. Glycosidic bond. ठीक है? So the bond between nitrogenous base and sugar. ठीक है? So this is your sugar. ये आपका sugar molecule है. And here you have OH. ठीक है? H is removed. And here a base is joined. ठीक है? H is removed. And here a base is joined. So the bond which is formed here, it is called glycosidic bond. ठीक है? This is glycosidic bond. Glycosidic bond. And glycosidic bond is formed between on your first carbon, 1' carbon. ठीक है? Glycosidic bond किस पे बना? 1' carbon, because this is first carbon. ठीक है? So nitrogenous base is joined with sugar with a glycosidic bond. After that, there is a phosphate joining, right? Here you have CH2. Its O will join with the phosphate group. Okay? The CH2OH was there, right? So this O will be joined with the phosphate group like double bond O, OH and OH. Okay? This is your phosphate group. And this bond is known as ester bond. Okay? This bond is known as ester bond. Bonds are very important. So at 1 dash carbon, you have glycosidic bond where nitrogenous base is joined with sugar. Now this is your fifth carbon, right? This is your fifth carbon. At fifth carbon, your phosphate group is joined via ester bond. Okay? At 5 dash carbon, your phosphate group is joined via ester bond. So here you have a ester bond and here you have a glycosidic bond. इतना समझ में आया? I hope इतना clear है. Glycosidic and ester bond. Okay? So here at the 1 dash carbon, where sugar joins with nitrogenous base, you have a glycosidic bond. And at the 5 dash carbon, where your sugar joins with the phosphate group, here you have a ester bond. So two bonds are this. You have one more bond. Okay? We have one more bond which is called phosphodiester bond. Phosphodiester bond. Okay? Phosphodiester bond is used to join. This is used to join two nucleotide molecules. Okay? This is one nucleotide molecule. Okay? This complete is one nucleotide molecule. If we want to join it with another nucleotide molecule, because we want to make a chain, है ना? तभी तो then it will be called nucleic acid. So multiple nucleotides, they are joined together via phosphodiester. So to join two nucleotide molecules, this is used to join two nucleotide molecules, and this is present between what carbons? Which carbons are involved for the formation of this bond? So you have 3 dash carbon of first nucleotide, 3 dash carbon nucleotide, and 5 dash carbon of second nucleotide. So this bond is formed between 3 dash carbon of first nucleotide and 5 dash carbon of second nucleotide. ठीक है? पहले इतना लिख लो, then I'll show you the phosphodiester bond. पहले इतना लिख लो, then I'll show you the phosphodiester bond. यहाँ तक क्लियर है? यहाँ तक कुछ डाउट है तो बताओ. यहाँ तक कुछ डाउट है तो बोलो. आई होप यहाँ तक क्लियर है. अगर यहाँ तक कुछ डाउट्स है तो बताओ. We have seen two bonds here. One is glycosidic bond, one is ester bond. Glycosidic bond कहाँ चाहिए? To join sugar with the nitrogenous base at 1 dash carbon, है ना? First position of carbon. फिर ester bond आपको कहाँ चाहिए? To join your sugar with the phosphate group, right? At 5 dash carbon. So this is your ester bond. I hope यहाँ तक clear है. If it is clear till here, and if you have any doubts, write in the chat box. Otherwise, from phosphodiester bond, we will do in next class. So we are done with the molecules, all the molecules we have done. In next class, we are left with the enzymes. So next class में हम enzyme करेंगे and then this chapter will be over. ठीक है? And then this chapter will be over. If you have any suggestion for next chapter, you can write in the chat box. If you have any suggestion for the next chapter, you can write in the chat box. We will start with phosphodiester bond in next class, and in next class, biomolecules will be over. If you have any suggestion with the next chapter, please write in the chat box. Okay? If you have any suggestion, please write in the chat box. Any doubts, please write in the chat box. Otherwise, we are done with the today's class. I'll see you in next class. Take care. Thank you. Good evening. Bye-bye. If you have any suggestion for next class, any chapter you want me to take, you can write in the chat box.